Hey friends, we are going to discuss on physical quality of life index and human development index. So first, in physical quality of life index, we have indices like literacy rate, infant mortality rate and life expectancy at 1 year of age. And in human development index, we have similar type of indices like literacy rate. Here we have life expectancy, and the difference is that at the site of infant mortality rate in physical quality life index, we have different indices, that is income. So in human development index, indices like literacy rate can also be called as knowledge, enrollment ratio, education ratio, or the main and the major criteria that we are using nowadays, that is mean year of schooling. Income also be called as income per capita, US dollar PPP, that is US dollar purchasing power parity, and the life expectancy, that is at the birth. It is also called as L0 or longevity at birth. So what is the physical quality life index in India nowadays? Yes, the value for India is 65, and the human development index value for India is nearly 0.624, that is medium development. Remember that value for Norway is nearly about zero point 0.9, that is it is first rank all over the world, and it is the most developed country in the world. So this is the basics differentiation between physical quality life index and human development index. That is, indices in PQLI is literacy rate, infant mortality rate and life expectancy at 1 year. And the indices in HDI is life expectancy at birth, literacy rate and income. So remember that range for PQLI is between 0 to 100, and the range for HDI is in between 0 to +1. So the PQLI of India is now 65 and the HDI value is 0.624. Thank you for watching this video.